Hi, welcome back to another class with Math and Science. In this lesson, we'll take a work examples to help us understand shunts and multipliers. Remember in our last lesson, we said shunts are used with ammeters while multipliers are used with voltmeters. In case you missed that lesson, I will place that lesson as an end screen to this lesson. Kindly do go to the end screen and hit that lesson. That said, let's get into class. Today, I want us to take a work example to help us understand the concept of multipliers. Now, in this example, it says a moving coil instrument having a resistance of 10 ohms is a full-scale deflection when a current of 8 milliamperes flows through it. Now, this is the resistance of the moving coil, and here is current flowing through it, so that calculate the value of the multiplier to be connected in series. Thank you. The examiner, he told us the multiplier is going to be connected in series. So we'll tag this my RS, and for the moving coil, I'll tag this my RA. My RA is 10 ohms. Now I'm to find the value of my RS. My RS is unknown. Now it's connected in series with the instrument that it can be used as a voltmeter for measuring PDs up to 100 volts. Now what I'm expecting across board here should be 100 volts. 100 volts. That's the supply. Or I think let me draw it better. So I'm expecting 100 volts. Now my instrument is to move with a current of 8 milliamperes. 8 milliamperes, that's something as 0.008. So that my 100 volts will be the same thing as 0.008 into RA plus RS. That means my 100 will be equals to 0.008 into 10 plus RS. Now remember that your voltage, I think I should just say this, is equals to IR, that is the foundation, that's Ohm's law. Now I can divide both sides by my 0.008. You divide this side also by 0.008. 100 divided by 0.008 will be the same thing as 12,500 is equals to 10 plus RS. Now my 12,500 minus 10 will be the same thing as what? RS. So that 12,500 minus 10, that will be the same thing as 12,490. So that RS must be 12,490 ohms. Now with this, I hope you understand how to work with voltmeters and ammeters. In case you missed our full lesson where we explain the concept of shunts and multipliers, please do not hesitate to check the description below and our end screen. Any that is convenient for you will be okay. Thank you and see you in our next class.